Hey, good morning, guys. It's Ty from Black Girl Makes. Today, I am going to tackle the laundry. It's been so long since I did it. I did it before the holiday, and you get in the holiday spirit, and you're celebrating, and you're spending quality time with your family, and it is time to do the laundry because it has built up quite a bit since before the holiday, and I thought I'd tackle it today. So if you need a little laundry motivation, I got some for you. Okay, try not to throw them. Put them in there gently. I'm thinking about making my own laundry detergent. Is that crazy? Comment down below if you've ever done that before. Push it all the way in. Very good. Okay, turn around. Press this way. Okay, when it says wait, it says wait. Okay, now we can pull it. Hold on. Now we can pull it out. You did it! Yay! Nice. Now I'm sorting the laundry to make it easier to fold each person's clothes separately. I like to do this because once I'm done folding that person's clothes, I can easily put them away, and it makes me feel like I'm making progress. While I'm folding the laundry, I like to watch my favorite YouTube channels like Rachel Maxey, Bernadette Banner, Scandish Home, and The Minimal Mom. Comment down below what are some of your favorite YouTube channels. And I can't forget some of my favorite Clean With Me's are with Jessica Tull, Guilt Free Mama, and This Crazy Life. So like I was saying before, now that I have all of my eldest daughter's clothes folded, she can help by putting away her own clothes.
Here's a present.
Here, I'll put the rest of your stuff right here. You can come and get it. Put it away. Naima, you're taking up this spot. Now that I'm feeling so fresh and so clean, shout out to Outcast. I'm folding my clothes and my husband's clothes. I already folded my little daughter's clothes and put them away. Thank you for sticking around to the end. I really do enjoy making this content and sharing these videos. So please subscribe, like, and comment. I'm looking forward to growing this community with you all. Have a good day. Bye.
I